battery's finna die. Grand Rising Kings and Queens. It's 9 Millie. And I'm back with another vlog. Up and at 'em, getting into it early, man. I thought I was gonna be able to drop off early this morning, but apparently I can't because I'm told I need to take my truck back to the shop. Because those lights I got fixed yesterday, one of them went back out. So they said go ahead, go to a Love's, which is about 30 minutes, 45 minutes in the opposite direction that I'm in right now. Kind of pissed me off. Gotta spend my time doing this, but I have to drop by 6 p.m. so I definitely have enough time to get it done. And my next pickup ain't until the morning anyway, so after I drop it off, I'm gonna be back to a truck stop chilling for the night. So I definitely had time. Fortunately, unfortunately. But thanks for rocking with me, man. Hit that like button. I'm just getting the day started early this morning. Sending in my maintenance requests. That way I can cover my ass in case I get pulled over by the DOT officers. Oh no, this ain't working. Alright, I just called Love's. They said they'll have somebody there for me around 7 and 7:30 in between that time frame. It is now 5:42. It's gonna take me about 40 minutes or so to get there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just go over there, fuel up, def up, and be first in line. That's my plan. It's my plan, I'm sticking to it. Come along, come along. I need, man, give me something old like that, something old but running, you know what I mean, keep the cost down, make some cheese, earn some money, I should say. But anyway, I just came back from the Love's office, and the only people that are available right now are the tire people. He said that the mechanics won't be in until 11 and that he'll write me up that I'm first. So what I'm thinking is going with the rest of my goals for the day, which is get a little workout in. It is now just after 7, almost 7:15, so I definitely got some hours to put in some work. I see a little grassy area all the way around with a fence. I could definitely use, you know, for my bands. Could use my truck too, but the grassy area probably be a little better. More space and farther away from these trucks that's running. But I also want to get a little run in, and I don't know what the lay of the land is looking like. So what I'm gonna do is throw my drone in the air. I'm gonna put the drone up and, you know, see what the lay of the land looks like, see if I got enough to run around or whatever. So I don't want to run in the parking lot. I will if I have to, but let's see if there's some sidewalk and stuff on the outside of these premises. Stay tuned, and I'll show y'all what it is. Peace. Unfortunately, it don't look safe to run around this piece. Maybe over yonder in the distance, maybe, but I ain't doing that. I'm gonna just run around this here parking lot, check out my premises, and see where I'm gonna do the next part of my workout. Do some strength. I think I gotta do legs and shoulders today. Seeing as how I am gonna be outside doing it, I will show y'all a little bit more than I did last time. Actually, I didn't show y'all shit last time, I just talked about it. So yeah, you get to see me do a little bit of shoulders and some legs. First off, some cardio. get my nice little warm up, work on my heart rate and all that. I'll let y'all later, man. Stay tuned. Peace. Just finished the legs, y'all. The lunges, squats, and hamstring curls. It kicked my ass, bro. Last part was the hamstring curls, and I had a hard time getting up off the ground after that. Shit. Now I gotta do shoulders. I'm doing 2 angles from each exercise, or at least the legs. For the upper body, you don't really need to see too much other than what I show you, from the one angle. But the lunges, I did 3 sets of 20. So 10 each leg. Squats, I did 3 sets of 12. And hamstring curls, I did 3 sets of 12. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Shit. All right, stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. I don't know how the angle was on those, but I was too weak to do my feet together, so I spread them apart. Still wasn't able to get 10. I only got like 5. Went down from 3 to 5, and then the last set I just did, I got 10, and that was my feet staggered in the lunge position. If you don't know with these TRX bands, you control how hard or how difficult or easy the exercises are by how you angle your body and your feet position. So that's why I was able to get 10 in the last one, because I went to an easier feet position just to pump out the reps, getting cardio out of it and some muscle stimulation. So that was my goal. 3 to 5 just wasn't enough. That's good for muscle building, but that's not what I'm looking for right now. Just trying to get in shape, man. Work my heart out, work my muscles out. Hopefully y'all hear me. I know this truck loud as hell, and I feel weak, so I can't really talk loud. Shit, I almost didn't do these, man. I was feeling so nauseous. Yeah, my legs feel so weak. Damn. All right, y'all stay tuned. Peace. Time to get going, y'all. Been here since what? Almost 7 o'clock, right at 7 o'clock. The mechanic told me on duty before I got here that it'll be a mechanic here around 7:30. Then I got here, checked in with him. He said, no, we ain't gonna be until 11. Then we got here at 11. Didn't get started on my truck until 12. Now it's a little after 1. I just got out the shower. Feeling good. Got a nice workout in. Took a nice shower. Now it's time to get to work. I think I haven't checked the address yet, but I think I got an hour drive to get to switching out these trailers, doing my drop and hook. We'll see. I'm about to get up out of here anyway. I fueled up while I was waiting on the mechanics to get here. Fueled up, deffed up, so I'm ready to go, baby. Preparation is the key to success. Preparation and what's the other word? Consistency. Preparation and consistency. That's the key to success. Man, I'm kind of tired though. Work, I kick my ass. But, let me go ahead and finish up over here and punch these addresses in and see how long it's gonna take me. I'll holla. Peace. Let me find out I did this on the first rip. No pull-ups. I sure did. Yes, sir. Holla at your boy. That boy heavy, y'all. Heavy as hell. Well, I'm good. Got a lot of room on this side, but I'm still good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it up and get it on switched out, man. Gotta pick up the empty and head to another truck stop somewhere nearby. Hopefully, it may be the same one from last night. Hopefully it's not, and hopefully it's a better one, but we'll see. I got 3 hours and 52 minutes left on my clock. So, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Peace. I wasn't able to get no trailer to get hooked up for tomorrow's trips, but there was some truck stops nearby. The Lowe's, everybody knows Lowe's is my favorite. Let me turn this bad boy off. Everybody knows Lowe's is my favorite because it's the cleanest and we get bonus points and shit. But that was like 8 miles away and I was gonna go there, but then I looked at the food that they had available and there was like Chester's, fried chicken, and McDonald's. So I looked at another truck stop and there was a TA and Pilot not far away, like 5 or 6 miles away. Love's was like 8 miles. These two are like 5, 6 miles away in between there. And you know, tire gauge. And they had better food options. I decided to go to Pilot, which is my least favorite of all the truck stops so far. Decided to go to Pilot because they got a Ruby Tuesdays and it's a Waffle House right there. Probably gonna eat at Ruby Tuesdays, quality food, you feel me? The TA had McDonald's nearby, Taco Bell, and Popeyes inside the truck stop. And I just didn't want to go that nasty with it because
Your boy working on his fitness and shit.
I have to say I won't eat that shit. I just don't want to. I want to eat something more clean, more quality. Ruby Tuesdays is pretty quality. You know what, I'm gonna finish doing this post trip, and I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. I think I'm gonna call it a wrap for the night. While I'm eating, I'll find out what time I got to get up and all of that for this next load. But yeah, they're routing me towards the crib. I got like 3 or 4 stops on this next trailer, so interesting. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Peace.